ko alas 6 sila city nagtuluan ta ka
Start.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Aldrich Jose Sachocoso, and this is our website proposal called Boarding Hub. Problem. Many students and workers struggle to find a boarding house or apartment close to their school or workplace. This can lead to wasted time and money. Many students and employees struggle to find a suitable boarding house or apartment close to their school or workplace. This difficulty often results in waste of time and money due to long commutes, higher transportation costs, and inconvenience. This issue highlights the need for a more efficient and accessible way to find accommodation near essential location.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Chairman Justina Mangilin. I'm going to discuss to you the objectives. So first, we have to promote cost-effective housing solutions. It is to help users find affordable accommodation options that suit their budget while ensuring quality and proximity to schools and workplace. Second is to centralize accommodation listing, gather and organize a wide range of boarding houses, apartments, and rental options into a single platform for easy access by students and workers. Last is to facilitate seamless communication, to enable direct and efficient communication between tenants and landlords through messaging and inquiries. So aim to have kanang for the students or the workers para makita nila ang kanang match kanang fit sa ilahang budget when it comes to pagpili og kanang mga apartments. And also we add the features kanang mag-search para madali lang nila makita. For example, they are in Malaybalay or working in Malaybalay and the struggle sila og pangita og mga apartments or pads. So all they need to do is mag-search lang sila and automatically daghan na yung mga suggestion regarding in that location. And also maka-message pud siya through landlord para dito nila ma-discuss if kuon ba niya tong apartments and all.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Neil Andre Bicudizar and I am presenting the solution. And a website called Boarding Hub that act as one-step platform for student and workers, providing them with a smooth and efficient process to find accommodation close to their schools and workplace. Kani nga website, ma'am, is big impact siya for student or workers and also for landlords because mas mapaspas niya ang kanang process sa kanang gapangita og kuan kanang boarding house o kanang mag-post ang landlord. Dako siya tabang kay imbis ang kuan magod problem ani is kanang in a real life sa amo kanang first me diri na abot sa SIC is kanang naglisod jud mig pangitag boarding house kay mangita pa madto pa mig Facebook, mangita mig nagpost or mangita mig kaila sa personal nga nabay boarding house, nabay available nga room or pila, daghan pa kay pangutana. Diri kani nga website, ma'am, is naa diri tanan kuan kanang info sa boarding house nga imong kuanan og sa location. Masyan dako kay siya kanang solution sa in the future.
And mo ni siya ang amo logo, ma'am. So as you can see, we have kaning balay diri symbolized of home. And of course, the boarding hub or website. And this is the palette that we will gonna use in the shade of something darker, something blue and white and ghost white. So next is we're going to present to you, ma'am, our prototype. So we are using Figma for our prototype. So at first, nila makita sa website is one is, ma'am, we have about us. It's all about what's inside the website and the login. So when you click the about us, so it tells everything regarding inside the boarding house, or what is the boarding house all about. So log in. So if you already have an account, so you need to i-fill up lang ninyo ang form. And then kung wala pa, so you choose register. So i-fill up lang gyapon ninyo ang form dere. So and agree to the terms and conditions. So we have also terms and conditions regarding this, and after that register na, and then when yung account, so fill up lang dayon dere, and then login. So the first thing na makita is mga suggestions ng mga boarding houses. So just like this four. So ay ngani. And kung gusto mo nga mangita og sa specific na lugar, so dili ka mag-search. And then for example, mag-search ka og MC. And then so mugawas din siya ang mga location regarding sa mga MC na naadere. So makita ninyo kung unsa affordable sa inyong budget. So 1K, but dili siya kuan, dili siya solo, daghan mo. And also it also for all girls. So this is just the examples. And of course, this website is not only about kanang kamangita og mga apartment, but it also features kanang if landlord. So pwede ka mag-post if you have kanang mga maparent og mga apartment. So ani diri natay plus button para mag-post ka kung na available sa inyo boarding house. So ingani siya example. So example, this is the kanang available ninyo na room or beds. So puta na kang sa imong gusto ang option. So you include this the location or pila ang inyong monthly or yearly ba. It depends na din kung unsa ang ilang i-post, and then dili to click post. So this is the example kung ma-post na. So as you can see mo ni siya kaganina. So also, pwede ni mo natay heart features. So i-heart ni dire para makita nimo sa imong mga favorites or message, kaning message na icon para ma-contact nimo directly ang landlord. And after that, so we have also a log out button. And then mabalik rin siya sa sugod. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.